In this video, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you might be stuck in brain fog and exactly how to clear it using simple, powerful biohacks that actually work. Hey, I'm Ryan, a college professor turned biohacker, and I help leaders and entrepreneurs and parents over 40 reclaim their brains. You ever wake up feeling like your brain is in slow motion, you're staring at your screen, as soon as you wake up, forgetting why you opened your phone in the first place? And every little task that you do, it feels insurmountable. You just can't seem to clear the fog. That's brain fog. Your brain is insanely complex, and it's a powerful machine that's meant to be your greatest weapon. In my opinion, it even has one of the biggest impacts on your overall healing and health. But some days it can turn against you. And when you've got important stuff to do, doesn't matter, family, work, just getting through your day, brain fog sucks. Now that you know if you have brain fog, let's see what you can do to fix it. Let's go. All right, reason number 1, toxin overload. We live in a toxic world full of processed foods, environmental chemicals, heavy metals, mold exposure. Your body and brain weren't designed for this kind of constant stress. And when your detox pathways get clogged, your liver, your lymph, your gut gets messed up, those toxins start to back up. This causes inflammation, fatigue, and yeah, of course, the biggest one that I experienced was brain fog. Brain fog can be downright scary sometimes, and it's one of the biggest symptoms of toxin overload in your body. Do you ever wonder why you see pictures of people in the 70s and 80s where almost everyone's looking lean and fit? While your grandparents ate sugar but had few health problems, they weren't exposed to half the toxic crap that we are exposed to today. So here's how you fix it. Start small, eliminate toxic chemicals from your house, get an air purifier, get a water purifier, add some binders into your daily supplement routine. Something like biotoxin binder is a great one to start with. It's very gentle and has a mix of a couple different types of binders, and it's a good starting point. And in my opinion, we have to actually seek to not only avoid, but to remove toxins from our body these days. Now, bonus points if you use a sauna or a cold plunge to support your detox, and make sure you're also supporting your liver and lymph system in this process as well. All right, number 2, and this one got me for a long time. I didn't even realize that it was impacting me, but this was blood sugar and blood sugar swings. If you ever feel great and then suddenly crash mid-morning or mid-afternoon, this could be a sign that your blood sugar is having issues going through sort of a roller coaster, and it's most certainly causing you brain fog. When you spike your blood sugar with carbs and of course sugar, your brain gets a quick high and then it crashes pretty hard. So the fix here is actually pretty easy. It's really just to balance your blood sugar. Eat low carb, high fat meals. These are going to be super satiating. You want to make sure you get good quality protein as well. My most preferred type of protein is beef. Try intermittent fasting. Try OMAD, 1 meal a day. You'd be amazed at how you feel on OMAD. And as a bonus, you get so much more done because you're not worried about eating all day. And then if you're adventurous, try a 24-hour fast once a week and see how you feel. If you've never experienced what it feels like to fuel your brain with ketones instead of sugar, get ready because it's going to feel amazing. Bonus tip, exogenous ketones will skyrocket your workouts, your focus, your energy. And if you really want to see what your blood sugar swings are looking like, use a simple biohack tech like something like Stella to track your blood sugar for a month. This is one of the cheapest, most affordable continuous glucose monitors I've found. It's a pain in the butt to have to prick your finger all the time and to track your blood glucose. And the continuous glucose monitor gives you a pattern and trends over time so you can see what your blood sugar is doing. Links are in the description for these. And always remember, I'm not a doctor, I'm just sharing my experiences with you. Always check with your physician before trying anything new. All right, tip number 3. This wouldn't be complete without talking about sleep and your circadian rhythm. Oftentimes what we see with brain fog is sleep debt. You're not getting enough sleep and a circadian mismatch. If your sleep sucks, your brain is literally getting toxic. During sleep, your brain runs on a system called the lymphatic system, and it's like your brain's garbage disposal. It clears out the waste and it gets rid of the toxins while you're sleeping. If you're not getting good sleep, your brain can't clean itself, and guess what? It builds up, and then you start to experience more and more brain fog. So the fix here is actually pretty easy. Just kind of prioritize sleep in your life. Really make it a priority. And along with that, no screens 90 minutes before bed. Try wearing blue blockers at nighttime when you're watching TV. Make your room cold and dark. Try some magnesium glycinate before bed. This is one of my favorite supplements to take right before sleep. It's very relaxing, helps me get some good sleep at nighttime. Usually I sleep like a baby after that. And in the morning, get outside, get some sunlight in your eyes right away. This helps with your circadian rhythm, helps you sleep deeper the next night. And most importantly, this is a big one, guys, stop eating after 6 p.m. You see, at night, your body produces melatonin, and as the sun starts to go down, that melatonin production starts to go up. In a nutshell, what this does is it triggers your pancreas to stop producing insulin as effectively because your body is telling itself, hey, it's time to start winding down and stop worrying about eating food. This one change is massive, and you will see some great benefits from doing this, not only with your brain fog, but probably with your body composition as well. Dr. Rhonda Patrick has a great video on this topic. And as a bonus with sleep, if you really want to supercharge your sleep, try something like a liposomal melatonin. This stuff just hits differently. You'll feel pretty tired when you take this and you will get a great night's sleep. This is the one I love from Quicksilver Scientific. Links in the description if you want to check it out. This stuff's real powerful though. Be careful, start slow. Make sure you get plenty of sunlight first thing in the morning to get your body out of that melatonin-induced sleepiness. Melatonin's a great brain detoxer, and I'll have more videos on this one in the future. All right, time for a bonus tip. If you're ready to go deep, check your gut health. Your gut and brain are connected. If your gut is inflamed from processed foods, maybe you just had to take some antibiotics, or maybe you're dealing with parasites and don't even realize it, you're definitely going to feel the brain fog. Start healing your gut and watch your brain fog disappear. All right, let's recap. So number 1, detox daily. Number 2, stabilize your blood sugar. Number 3, fix your sleep. And bonus, start to heal your gut. That's how you're going to break free from brain fog and get your mental edge back. If this video helped, please give it a like. And if you're feeling really generous, hit that subscribe button for me for more ways to unlock mental clarity and dominate your day. Want to dive a little bit deeper? Check out my video here where I walk you through step by step how you can cold plunge in nature for the ultimate brain reset.